So let's also look about the tokenization mechanisms, which we already pre-posting with couple of the regular expressions. So the regular expressions what we had used before. So we can take and do some kind of the punctuations to remove and also the special characters to remove. And the tokenization currently we are applying the directly from the Keras library. Those who have already know about the Keras is one of the good library for to do kind of the pre-processing or maybe the model building for the deep learning concepts. So currently we are using the tokenization mechanisms to convert from text to numerical so that it will able to identify with corresponding different kind of the punctuations and also converting to the lower case and the number of the words we are taking as the top words. So stop words, we already know of it. Those who already know about the stop word, this is one of the stop words we need to be included or excluded some of the cases. So in this project, we are going to be excluded with corresponding different kind of the stop words. In the model building, we are going to be remove this one, but as of the ED analysis, we are not going to remove anything else. Along with comment sequence, we are also retrieving the one of other column comment sequences which basically commenting with corresponding the different kind of the sequences and converting into the lowercase. So this is a one of the random comment, so which consisting of different words with consisting of the comment sequence. So let's also analyze the what exactly the maximum length and also the appropriate with corresponding to the maximum length we had. So the maximum length of a word or the length of the comment is 13,999. So this much of the length we had, we can also tokenize by using this much of the length to analyze the data with corresponding the tokenization mechanisms. The sequence of the length also will be matter. So let's calculate by using the sequence of the length. And we need to be analyze the data with corresponding to how much percent of the comments have the more than 10 words or the 50 words or the 500 words or the 400 words or 1000 words, so that we will able to get some kind of idea of understanding with corresponding to the percent of the comments have the more than 10 or more than 1200 words. So more than 1200 words have the 0.01 percentage when compared to the all the other words have the 200 words have the 5% of the values, along with the 16% of the values having the 100 words and 35% of the values having the 50 words only. So that depends on the words how much size is in. And you can also see the max word is the 13 1900, so it is very less when compared to that. So yeah, by using we can also going for the R&D because since it is a very sequential way of doing the with computation power also very low when compared to the whatever the words we had. We are going to be choose cutoff of the 300 words since we already have the 1900 words. You can see 1900 words having the 300 words having the very good. So we can informative way to go this and try to do with corresponding the toxic classification task. So let's also visualize the things much better. So getting the word count and also the word plot. If you already know about the word cloud plot, this is very straightforward. So let's also visualize the things much better. The frequency of the words. We are having the comment traits or maybe the other traits we're going to get by using insult comments and also the identity comments. We are having the different kind of the comments with corresponding to the frequency of the each and every word. So most of the words having different kind of the terminologies you can also see with this color plotting, so that we will able to identify these kind of the stuff with much better when compared to with the toxic comments. And we can also plot something called as a word cloud. This is very useful whenever you wanted to go with the visualizing things in much better in the ed analysis. So those who don't know about the word cloud, this is directly a word cloud with consisting of the shape of the size is very more occurrence frequency and shape of the size is very less, that is coming as very low frequency of the words. So here you can see really explanation, background. So these are some toxic words and going to be represented with corresponding to this word. And under this, we have another words with corresponding to work and previous, think, observed, anti sentiment. Some kind of the toxic word we're going to be get it from this. So sophisticated demographic, but not exactly the words we are going to get by using these kind of statements. The clean comments and also the toxic comments. Thank you.